Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a payment in QuickBooks Online. This is useful if a customer payment was recorded by mistake or applied to the wrong invoice. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Sales. Then select Customers. Find the customer connected to the payment you want to cancel. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the customer faster. Click the customer's name to open their transaction history. Now find the payment transaction you want to cancel. Before opening it, check the date, amount, and invoice it was applied to so you know you're selecting the correct payment. At the bottom of the payment screen, click More. From the menu, select Void. Voiding the payment keeps a record of the transaction, but changes the amount to 0, so it no longer affects the customer balance or your reports. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm, review the payment one more time, then click Yes to void it. The payment will now be canceled, and QuickBooks will update the customer balance and related reports. And that's how to cancel a payment in QuickBooks Online in 2026.